Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog water fountains that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got something for every type of pet and household. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Veken Innovation Award winner 95 ounces or 2.8 liters pet fountain. This budget-friendly option delivers exceptional value for its price of $21.99. With a sleek plastic design and BPA-free materials, it's both durable and safe for your pets. The 2 water flow modes, flower waterfall and gentle fountain, make it appealing to pets who prefer drinking from running water. Plus, the ultra-quiet pump ensures it won't disturb your household, even during nighttime. One standout feature is its 5-stage filtration system, which includes silver and coconut shell activated carbon for cleaner, better-tasting water. The LED light with a water level window adds a touch of convenience, letting you monitor the water levels easily. The fountain is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for smaller spaces or apartments. However, its 95 ounces capacity may require frequent refills if you have larger pets or multiple animals. On the downside, the plastic construction isn't as hygienic as stainless steel models, and the filters need to be replaced every 2 to 3 weeks for optimal performance. But for individuals on a budget, this fountain offers great functionality and a design that encourages your pets to stay hydrated. It's perfect for small to medium-sized pets and owners looking for an affordable yet efficient water dispenser. Coming in at number 4 is the Grook Pet Dog Water Fountain for large dogs. Designed with multi-pet households in mind, this stainless steel fountain holds an impressive 7 liters of water, perfect for large dogs, cats, or multiple pets. The 304 stainless steel construction is rust-proof and hygienic, ensuring a safe drinking experience for your pets. The transparent water level window adds convenience, allowing you to monitor water levels at a glance. Performance-wise, the Grook Pet Fountain operates at a whisper-quiet 25 dB, making it ideal for homes where noise is a concern. Its deepened water tray accommodates the drinking habits of larger pets, while the 4-stage filtration system keeps the water clean and free of impurities. The ergonomic handle design is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to move and refill the fountain, which is especially helpful given its large size. However, while the Grook Pet Fountain offers excellent capacity and build quality, its bulky design might not be the best fit for smaller spaces. Additionally, the filters need to be replaced regularly, which adds to the maintenance cost. But overall, this fountain is a great choice for pet owners looking for a durable, spacious water dispenser that caters to larger breeds or multi-pet families. At number 3, we have the PETLIBRO Dog Water Fountain. With its modern capsule design and 2.1-gallon capacity, this fountain is perfect for medium to large dogs or households with multiple pets. The transparent water tank makes it easy to monitor water levels, and refilling is straightforward. Just pour water directly into the serving tray. The anti-splash shield and buffer zone keep mess to a minimum, making it a great option for reducing spills. One of the highlights of this fountain is its innovative whirlpool water flow and 5-layer filtration system, which removes impurities such as fur, heavy metals, and odors. The ultra-quiet operation at just 28 dB ensures it won't disturb your peace or your pet's comfort. Additionally, the splashless design prevents gulping and vomiting, promoting healthier drinking habits for your furry friends. While the PETLIBRO fountain offers excellent capacity and advanced filtration, it does require regular maintenance, such as replacing filters and cleaning the pump weekly. Its larger size might not fit every home, but it's an excellent choice for households with big pets or active multi-pet families who need a reliable and feature-rich water fountain. Taking the number 2 spot is the Veken Innovation Award winner stainless steel cat water fountain. This upgraded stainless steel version of the best-selling Veken fountain combines durability with a sleek, modern design. With a 95 ounces capacity, it's suitable for small to medium-sized pets and offers a hygienic drinking experience thanks to its BPA-free and rust-resistant materials. The advanced 5-stage filtration system ensures cleaner, better-tasting water for your pets, while the optional LED light feature adds a touch of convenience, illuminating the fountain for easy refills and nighttime visibility. Plus, the ultra-quiet pump makes it a great choice for quiet households. The included silicone mat prevents spills and keeps your floors tidy, making this fountain a practical addition to any pet owner's home. While this fountain offers excellent build quality and performance for its price, it doesn't have the large capacity or multi-pet features of some higher-end models. However, it's an ideal choice for pet owners looking for an affordable yet durable and hygienic stainless steel fountain that encourages hydration in smaller pets. Finally, at number 1, we have the UPSKY 2.25 gal elevated dog water fountain. This premium option is perfect for pet owners who want the best for their furry friends. With a massive 2.25-gallon capacity and adjustable height settings, it caters to dogs of all sizes and breeds, providing a comfortable drinking posture and reducing cervical strain. The 304 stainless steel tray ensures durability and hygiene, while the ultra-quiet pump operates at less than 25 decibels, making it suitable for noise-sensitive pets and peaceful homes. The multi-layer filtration system effectively removes hair, debris, and heavy metals, ensuring fresh water daily. Its smart anti-dry pump, LED water level reminder, and transparent water tank add convenience and functionality. While the UPSKY fountain is the most expensive option on this list, its high-quality construction, thoughtful design, and advanced features make it worth the investment. It's perfect for large dogs, multi-pet households, or anyone looking for a top-of-the-line water fountain that combines style, performance, and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.